Lahore, Pakistan Cricket Board's (PCB) Anti-Corruption Tribunal on Wednesday slapped a 5-year ban against opening batsman Sharjeel Khan. In an interim order, it was said that for next 2.5 years, Khan will not be allowed to play domestic and international cricket, and for the rest of the terms, the board will put him under close observation. The detailed judgment on the case will be released later. Sources said an appellate tribunal will be formed later, where an appeal against the order can be filed as per the PCB's rules. Names of 2 additional cricketers surface in PSL spot fixing probe. On the violation of 5 clauses, a charge sheet against the opening batsman was given on February 18. The hearing of Khan's case started on March 24 this year. Counsel of Sharjeel Khan, Shagan Ijaz, announced that his legal team will file an appeal against the decision. "We were expecting acquittal on spot fixing charges," he said. "We will file an appeal on the decision. We have strong reservations against it as the onus is not on Sharjeel Khan to prove his innocence. The ban will start from February 10. Speaking to the press, PCB legal advisor Tafazel Rizvi said that the opening batsman is found guilty on all accounts. The charges have been proven. He was given minimum punishment with no fines imposed. This decision has shown that we had strong proofs against him," he said. Khan had denied involvement in relation to allegations of spot fixing during the Pakistan Super League 2017. PCB will seek life ban on players involved in PSL spot fixing. Sharjeel Khan said, "I have not done anything wrong. Everything will get clear soon," he had said when approached by journalists. When asked to elaborate, the suspended Islamabad United player said he has been forbidden by the PCB to speak to the media. Khan, along with Islamabad United teammate Khalid Latif, was provisionally suspended by the PCB during the opening week of the PSL following an initial inquiry into an alleged attempt by an international syndicate to corrupt Pakistan's T20 tournament. Both the players were formally charged by the PCB over alleged spot fixing under its anti-corruption code last Friday.